Of course, let's welcome the 2010 Mr. San Nicolas from Poblacion West. From Poblacion East, Miss Tara Grace Mones. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, 2011 official candidate for Mr. San Nicolas, together with 2010, the Sarah Grace Mones, Miss San Nicolas, or the San Nicolas 2010. And ladies and gentlemen, the candidate for Mr. San Nicolas 2011. And now let's meet our 32 official candidates for their individual introduction.
San Nicolas, Diana de Villanueva, 16, Subon.
San Nicolas, Gina Lindaliardo, 19, Nining. San Nicolas, Rodaline Molina Vicente, 19, Kasaratan. San Nicolas, Sheena Jia Kinafadit, 15, Santa Tomas.
San Nicolas, Warilin Paraino, 19, Kalanutyan.
San Nicolas, Research Estalete, 18, Poblacion East.
San Nicolas, Jamie Caranto Mendoza, 18, Benzican.
San Nicolas, Carla Kate Manas, 17, Nagtisa.
San Nicolas, Emily Pintuan, 17, Kamintarwan.
San Nicolas, Maridani Calaito, 15, San Roman Sandro. San Nicolas, Donna Melor Tiguero, 20, San Lincoln. San Nicolas, Regional Kujamat, Edith Galumpinas. San Nicolas, Giselle Dulay, 15, San Felipe West.
San Nicolas, Eliza Nicolnas, 14, Fianza. San Nicolas, Margaret Celestine, 14, Sanse.
San Nicolas, Anilina I'm Giselle from Nuevo 17, Palawan.
Dura San Nicolas, I'm Febulin D. Colbangan, 17, San Roque.
Dora San Nicolas, Lena Rose Castillo, 15, Lungaw. Dora San Nicolas, Casey May Gonzalez Fulgencio, 21, Poblacion West.
Dura San Nicolas, Roxanne P. Sarmiento, 19, San Rafael West.
Dora San Nicolas, Eric Estumana, 15, San Rafael East.
Dura San Nicolas, I'm Abby Marie A. Magtaka, 16, Santa Maria West.
Dora San Nicolas, Maylay Navilon, 16, Kakamagawa.
Dura San Nicolas, I'm Erica Joy Valdez, 16, Kamangaan.
And this time, let's welcome back on stage the 32 official candidates for announcing the winners for the first set of special and minor awards. And of course, before we go to announce the first set of special and minor awards,